Hello students, welcome to this learning. This video belongs to JEE Main question paper solution series. In this video, we will discuss one MCQ question of haloalkanes and haloarenes chapter. This question had been set in the JEE Main exam held on September 4, 2020. Before going forward, if you visit first time in this channel, subscribe to my channel. The channel link has been given in the description box. Alright, let's get started. The question is the decreasing order of reactivity of the following organic molecules towards silver nitrate solution is यहाँ पे 4 molecules दिया गया है. We will discuss the reactions of silver nitrate solution with these molecules one by one, right? When the first molecule, that is molecule A, the name of the molecule is 3-chlorocyclopropene. It reacts with silver nitrate solution. Of course, Cl- ion will get out of the substrate to form this cyclopropenyl cation. So obviously the reaction is of SN1 type as the leaving group leaves the substrate to form the corresponding carbocation, right? Now this cyclopropenyl cation is a very stable one, as it is an aromatic system. According to Huckel's rule, it has 2 pi electrons, it is cyclic, of course it is planar, right? So it is a very stable carbocation, the cyclopropenyl cation. Okay. Now in case of compound B, on treatment with silver nitrate solution, the Cl- ion will leave the substrate to form silver chloride, which get precipitated, and of course this carbocation will be formed. Now take a close look here. This carbocation is of course an aromatic system, and on top of it one methoxy group is attached to this aromatic system, which stabilizes more the carbocation by its plus resonance or plus mesomeric effect, right? So this carbocation is further more stable than the carbocation obtained from compound A. Okay. Now let's move to compound number C. In this compound, when Cl- leave the substrate to form the precipitate of silver chloride, this carbocation will be formed. And of course this is a 2 degree, that is secondary carbocation, and this carbocation is stabilized by the plus I effect of the methyl groups, and of course by hyperconjugation involving the 6 alpha hydrogens adjacent to the positively charged carbon, right? So this carbocation is stable enough, but not as much stable as the carbocations obtained from compound A and B, because those are aromatic systems, and the stability of the aromatic systems is of course greater than the stability of the secondary carbocation, right? Now in case of compound D, after the release of Cl- ion from the substrate, we will get this carbocation. The carbocation is secondary of course, but one nitro group is attached to the alpha carbon with respect to the positively charged carbon. Now nitro group has a very strong minus I effect, which destabilizes the carbocation a lot. So among the 4 carbocations, this carbocation is the least stable one, right? Because it is secondary, and of course the effect of nitro group is involved there. Okay. So the stability order of the carbocations obtained from compound A, B, C and D are in the order of B greater than A is greater than C is greater than D. Because the carbocations obtained from compound A and B are aromatic systems. In case of compound B, the carbocation is more stabilized by the plus R or plus mesomeric effect of the methoxy group. The carbocation obtained from compound C is a secondary carbocation, and in case of compound D, the carbocation obtained is secondary of course, but the minus I effect of the nitro group operates there. Okay. So we know the rate of the SN1 reaction is proportional to the stability of the intermediate carbocations. इंटरमीडिएट कार्बोकैटायन का स्टेबिलिटी जितना ही बढ़ेगा SN1 रिएक्शन का रेट उतना ही बढ़ जाएगी, right? So the order of reactivity of the given compounds is B is greater than A is greater than C is greater than D, which had been given in option number D. So option D is our correct answer for this question. So that's it from this video. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.